Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to change your default applications in Windows 10. So what comes to most people's minds about changing default applications is with web browsers, but it could be applied to a variety of things from media players to maps to calendar programs and video viewers and so forth. So in this tutorial I'll be showing how to do that. There's a variety of different ways to do it, even especially if you're installing an application for the first time. It might prompt you if you want to make it a default. However, we're assuming that you've already gone through that process and now you have second thoughts or you want to change the defaulted program. So we're going to head over to our Start menu and we're going to go underneath Settings and then System. Then left click on Default Apps. At this point, we can change our default applications. There's a whole bunch of different settings. We can change our default app for calendar, email, maps, music players. Near the bottom of the list, we can see is for the web browser. If you click on whatever web browser is listed here, just as an example, since I have Google Chrome installed, I want to set that to be our new defaulted web browser. So I'm going to click on this, and now it'll tell us to choose an app, and we can select another web browser from the list. So I'm going to select Google Chrome, and at this point you don't have to click OK or save any settings, it's already saved automatically. Also, if you ever wanted to change default apps by the file type, so if you wanted certain movie files to be opened up by VLC player versus Windows Media Player or something like that, you could select this choose default apps by file type. Just make sure whatever file type you're associating it with that the program will be able to actually read the file. So besides that, there really is not too much more to see here. So I hope this tutorial helped you out, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.